Welcome back to another hip-hop breakdown. Today we're going to do a little bit of locking, guys. I have here with me Natalie, the very talented Natalie. So let's get right into it, shall we? Here we go. Let's look at the video from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the wrist twirls right there. And wrist twirl to the point. We got the Scooby walk. Got the lock, Skeeter Rabbit, and we finish up with a lock. All right, guys, before we break it down, just want to let you know my name is Ceech, in case you haven't been here with me. I love to share this dance culture of ours. Every week I post dance instruction video to help you improve in your dance journey. So if you could benefit from this type of video, help the channel by hitting the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get on with the breakdown. We're going to start off with playing the video halftime, okay? I want you to focus on the bottom half first. Here we go. 7, 8. So we got, basically we're doing a two-step, all right? So I'm going to my right, left, and we do this for 1 8 count. So that's pretty easy. Now, I'm going to rewind it back real quick, and now we're going to focus on the wrist twirl. I do have an instructional just on the wrist twirl. So if you're unfamiliar with the wrist twirl, I suggest you watch that video first. Okay, here we go. Wrist twirl. Here we go. We got 1, 2. On the 2, we're crossing our arm, right? 3, we twirl here. On the 4, we reach out. Okay, twirl, cross the arm, twirl, and out. So on the 8, actually, we'll put it down. Okay, so that's 1 8 count. Moving forward, guys, I know I'm moving real fast, but I think most of you guys can handle it. If you need to rewind, just go ahead and do so. We're going to use the timestamp as well, so that'll help you. Here we go. So now we got the wrist twirl to the point, right? Wrist twirl to the point. Other side, wrist twirl to the point. Good. One more time, rewind. And the leg right there, obviously, no leg. Twirl to the point. Twirl to the point. From here, we're going right into a Scooby walk. Now, I want you to focus your attention on the leg itself. 5 and 6. 7 and 8. Okay, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 5. That's a kick. Here, this is called the Scooby walk. Again, the Scooby walk should be there's a separate video on just the Scooby walk itself. Kick, out, kick, out. That's 7 and 8. Okay, moving forward. 1 and 2. That's our muscle man and a quick prep. All right. Skeeter Rabbit, muscle man, lock. And then we locked again. So that is it, guys. Simple, fun routine, 3 8 counts total. It's a fun one for anybody that wants to get started in just locking choreography. If you want to drill the specific moves, watch the locking fundamentals. There's a whole series on all these moves. All right, guys, we're going to end it with one more time. We're going to play the entire video and enjoy, have fun. I'll see you in the next video. Peace, and I'm out.